Today, I'm going to share with you this very amazing tool that can help you to take any link to a post on social media and create it into a very nice looking screenshot in just few seconds. So all you need to do is just go to Twitter. Like as you can see, I'm on my Twitter account here. You look for any post that you like, so you can go ahead and search for any person that you like, or actually your own tweet. And then all you need to do is copy the link here. If you're on your mobile, you just need to click as if you want to share that post. Then you copy the link. So I'm just going to copy this link and come to this website Poet.so. So there are many other websites that work only for Android, or that works only for desktop and maybe iOS. And this one is working for any device, no matter iOS, Android, desktop, which is a desktop which is either for Apple or for Windows. So everything it works so perfect. So all you need to do is just paste it here, and automatically it's going to generate a screenshot of that post. So you see, in few seconds, I'm already having a screenshot of that post, and I can actually edit this to look the way I want it to be. So I can decide to change the color of the background here. We can make our tweet to look this way. I can reduce the size of this tweet by actually, okay, here it has actually increased it, and I can reduce it in this way. So once you click on this button here, it's supposed to change. So you can see this is how it is. It actually looks very big like this because on PC, if I download it, it's going to be into a normal picture. So you can actually decide to show the responses, that the way people reacted to it, 41 likes, 10 shares, or you can decide to turn it off without the responses. You can decide to make the card change the color into the maybe a night mode, or you can decide to bring it to the daylight mode. So this tool is so amazing, and if you know how to use it well, you can use it to create Instagram reels, create posts that you can post on TikTok. Actually, just collecting valid information, taking the screenshot and turning it into this like this and making a reel. I created a video showing you how to create a reel or a post for TikTok using screenshots. So you can check out the video here and use this an amazing tool. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more content like this.